One beautiful morning, Sunny the little squirrel, Benny the bunny, Mimi the bird, and Toby the turtle were enjoying a picnic in the enchanted forest. As they laughed together, something magical appeared in the sky. A bright rainbow stretched across the clouds. But this wasn't an ordinary rainbow. Its colorful light pointed toward a hidden part of the forest. Mimi fluttered excitedly. Look! The rainbow is showing us a secret path! Sunny smiled. Let's follow it! The friends hurried through giant flowers, sparkling streams, and glowing mushrooms until they heard the sound of rushing water. They pushed aside a curtain of vines and gasped. Before them stood the most beautiful waterfall they had ever seen. Instead of ordinary water, the waterfall shimmered with every color of the rainbow. Tiny rainbow sparkles floated through the air. Butterflies danced around the colorful mist. It's magical, Benny whispered. As Sammy stepped closer, he noticed something shining beneath the water. It's a crystal, he said. Soon everyone found colorful rainbow crystals. Red, blue, green, purple, golden. They're beautiful, Toby smiled. Each friend happily picked up a crystal. But suddenly, the waterfall began to lose its colors. The bright rainbow slowly faded into plain grey water. The butterflies disappeared. The flowers stopped glowing. Oh no! Cried Mimi. What happened? An old wise owl gently flew down from a nearby tree. The rainbow waterfall is magical, the owl explained. It shines only when visitors admire its beauty. But if someone tries to take its treasures away, the magic slowly disappears. The friends looked at the crystals in their paws. Sunny smiled. I know what we should do. One by one, they gently returned every crystal to the waterfall. The moment the last crystal touched the water, a brilliant rainbow burst across the sky. The waterfall sparkled brighter than ever. The butterflies returned. The flowers bloomed. The entire forest filled with beautiful colors once again. The wise owl smiled. You have chosen kindness over treasure. As a reward, the waterfall created something magical. Tiny glowing rainbow droplets floated into the air. One landed softly on each friend's forehead. The drops filled them with happiness, courage, friendship, laughter, and hope. Sunny smiled. The real treasure wasn't the crystals. It was sharing this magical adventure together. The friends laughed as they watched another rainbow stretch across the sky. They didn't take anything home except wonderful memories that would stay in their hearts forever. Moral: the greatest treasure isn't something you keep. It's the memories and friendships you make along the way.